Hello everyone and welcome to another unboxing from EMK. Well, we have a very brightly colored box today. It is the Aurora Borealis in silver. So let's open this one up, take a look. You may remember the first issue in this series that we unboxed a little while ago. This one has the same standard of quality. Once again, it's absolutely beautiful. Let's take a look at our certificate. Now, it is a color coin, which goes great with this theme. It's a 4.9 pure silver coin, and this mintage is only 2,000 pieces. Now, straight off the bat, you can see this color shining through and that beautiful detail on the silver piece itself. You may remember the first issue was the perspective of sitting in a boat and looking out at the Aurora Borealis, but this time we are standing at the edge of a bridge. Now, I'm just going to open this one up quickly for you and we can take a better look at this piece. One moment. There we go. And let's take it out there. We've got that extra ring in there so the coin does not shake around in the capsule. Just a really beautiful perspective standing on this bridge, and you can see the path leading up into the mountains there. And just those colors in the sky, absolutely beautiful. Now, this coin is struck for the country of Tuvalu. It is a 2023 coin with a face value of $1. So we've got the lovely Queen Elizabeth II there, and 1 ounce 4.9 AG. That wonderful mirror finish. But once again, this reverse, absolutely stunning. I just love the detail in all of the silver parts here, especially that wood on the bridge and the branches in the trees. Such a nice piece to hold. Just wonderful. Now, the exciting thing about this series is that there is also a 1 ounce gold version. So let's take a look at the gold piece. Now, there is a slight difference when we come to the gold in regards to the box that it's in. The outer packaging's quite simple, but then the actual box, of course, we have this protective cloth that does double as a cleaning cloth there. Protects this box. And it's a bit more of a sturdier box for the gold. Now you can see straight away on this certificate, the colors are slightly different. And this also transfers to the coin itself. So we've got those really deep blues in the silver piece. And here with the gold, we've got that lovely pink, purple shades there. The gold is also 4.9, and this mintage, wait for it, it's only 99 pieces, which is phenomenal. Look at those colors. Wow. Straight away, they are just shooting off that coin. Really, really beautiful. Now it's the same design here. So we've got that perspective looking out from the bridge towards the path that no doubt someone is about to walk. And this time we have Charles III. And this one, interesting, this is actually struck for the country of Niue. So the silver is Tuvalu, the gold is Niue. And as you can see, the gold's a lot quicker to get into. Let's take a look there. Again, you've got the mirror finishes in all the parts without that detail on there, that engraving. Those colors, just love it. So with the certificate, we saw the pink and the purple, but here it goes into greens and blues. And on the gold, you have a value of $100. And it is, of course, a 1 ounce gold coin. And as I said before, just like the silver, 4.9 there. So the first 4.9 silver, this piece 4.9 gold, and that coloring Really, really nicely done. I just love the small detail, even down to the water. They have not forgotten those colors. So you've got the really bright colors in the sky, and the water really represents the reflection there. So nicely done. Great. And of course, this is a 2023 piece, just like the silver piece. And let's just take a look at them side by side. Really, really nice. Do you have a preference, gold or silver? Particularly when it comes down to the coloring. Both of these coins are available on our website, and that's www.emk.com.